gave thanks to the Lord for this wonderful night. All we need to do is just give thanks to you, sir, for everything you've done for us. First, we want to thank you for respecting each and every one of us, our thoughts and feelings, respecting our own culture, and most of all, for not giving up on us. Especially in school, all the kids have been naughty and all that, been negative, but still, you haven't given up on us. I've been in 7th class for 3 years. I've been watching you for 3 years. I've been following your footsteps for 3 years. Ever since I got this, I've been thinking, I think that's it. I'm gonna get it back home. The ocean's in my home. This is my home. I've been up on it. Thank you guys for words of inspiration, which you never was, students. Thanks for inspiring the leaders who are here right now. If it wasn't for you, sir, they wouldn't become any leader. Right? Everyone will miss you. I love you, sir.
First of all, just like to give thanks to our Heavenly Father for this wonderful night that He's provided for us, and so grateful for this trip. And I'd also like to thank our leaders, teachers for preparing this trip for us. And I'd just like to thank Mr. Whitfield for everything that he's done for us. And I'd like to thank Mrs. Whitfield for being our leader in Yahoo. She's so cool. Yeah, thank you for everything that you've done for us.
One more.